Good morning and welcome to Maryland Tips. Today I have these football predictions for you. A total of 5 hours. I believe today game will bring us good tidings. So if you believe that this game will win, kindly comment Moneyline Tips in the comment section and let me know where you're watching us from. Moving on, the first game we have here is a game between Gargoha taking on Estigal Kunz, and you find this game in the Iran division. And my prediction here is under 2.5 goals at full time. The next one we have is a game between Deportivo Opala taking on ADL Jacarao. And my prediction here is under 3.5 goals at full time. You find this game in Costa Rica Premier League. Then the next one we have is a game between Al Samia taking on Alta Hamuna. And my prediction is home team win. You find this game in Kuwait Premier League. The next one we have is a game between North County taking on Grimsby Town. And my prediction here is under 4 goals at full time. You find this game in England League 2. If you want to join VIP and win daily, I will leave my WhatsApp link in the comment section where you will be getting short to us 5 to 20 odds every day. And then I believe that if you want to make money in sport betting, you should at least approach um, short to us daily and then grow your money. Okay, moving on. The last game we have is a game between Shanghai Shenhu taking on Beijing Guan, and you find this game in Chinese league, and they're playing a cup, so a straight win for the home team. That's all I have for you today, and then this is the booking code for those people using Sportybet. Go ahead and stake this game and then also select this game in your own local bookie if you are not using Sportybet. I will see you guys later after the game. Stay blessed.